the Ministry of Heavy Industries, Government of India, as a part of the week-long Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav program that has been entrusted to this ministry for this week. As you know, Nepal Limited has been the pioneer in the field of newsprint since 1947. There have been ups and downs for the company, and I'm sure in the near future there will be more ups than downs. I would like to thank each and every one of you who are participating in today's webinar for being a great partner and believing in us that we can come back to the same position that we were in, what was there a couple of decades back.
All the participants, the Nepal Limited welcomes you all at this webinar. Before we start the webinar, we have a message from Government of India, Ministry of Heavy Industries. I'll read it for you. This is a message received from Dr. Mahendranath Pandey, the Honorable Minister of Heavy Industries, and Shri Krishnapal Gurjar, Minister of State, Heavy Industries. And the message is like this: Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of progressive India and the glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. As part of this initiative, Ministry of Heavy Industries is celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav from 10th to 16 January 2022. Ministry of Heavy Industries is focused on development of globally competitive, green and technology-driven manufacturing sectors, including automotives and capital goods sectors, which propels growth and job creation. To achieve this vision, the ministry has launched a series of initiatives, including the faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles, that is FAME schemes, National Program on Advanced Chemistry Cell, that is ACC, battery storage, production linked incentives, that is PLI, scheme for automobile and auto components, scheme for enhancement of competitiveness in the Indian capital goods sector, etc. As part, Sir, Chairman and Managing Director, Nepal Limited, Nepal Nagar. This is a message which is received from Ministry of Heavy Industries right now, which has been read. Next. This is the second version of message. Next. Nepal Limited, the vision of NEPA is to be a major contributor and leader in the Indian paper industries and make company viable and self-sustainable. And the mission of NEPA is to meet customer requirements through best quality products, innovation and integration. And our objectives are to ensure optimum utilization of existing resources, to generate adequate margin to cover fixed cost and variable cost, generation of additional revenue by disposal of available byproduct and waste like coal cinder, ET plant sludge and scrap, etc. And now we are looking after the completion following objectives to be completed, that is diversification into writing and printing paper, production of 58 to 60 degree brightness newsprint, reduction in production cost, and to meet market demand with respect to quality. Our further objectives are to implement technological upgradation to derive maximum possible benefit in terms of increased production for achieving overall cost effectiveness, generate profit in the prescribed limit after implementation of RMDP, to adopt best HR practices for enhancement of for the this thing, paper and people. If we see, right from the birth certificate to school books, to college degree, to voter ID and passport, to the appointment letter, to marriage certificate, to constitution and the law, to currency, writing and printing, newspaper, packaging, religious books, and finally the death certificate. Everything is on the paper, and the validity of the paper is always there. So paper and people are interdependent. Paper is an important this thing for the society. Thanks. Jai Hind, Jai Nepal. Any questions, please?
Yeah, congratulations, Team Nepal, for beginning the day with the good news that we are starting producing newsprint. And on behalf of INNA, I would like to convey my good wishes for all the success in the future. And it's really boosting news for us, and we can take it forward to all the industrial zone, including the PMO office, that this is possible and this has been made possible with the help of Team Nepal. I have one question. This which paper machine is going to be started, machine number 1, and what will be the production capacity and taking facility which has been installed?
Machine number 1 is going to be started. The production capacity of machine number 1 is 200 metric ton per day, and the deemed facility we have available 300 tons per day capacity.
That's absolutely phenomenal. And that means machine number 1 has been renovated and the capacity has been doubled.
Yes, that's true. The speed.
It's really
Thank you.
amazing. I mean, if you ask personally, on behalf of INMA, I would like to say this is the appropriate time to launch this manufacturing of the newsprint, because country is running short of finished product, and at the same time, as you have already said, that Atmanirbhar and the Swachh Bharat,
Right.
all this ingredient which was available right from the day one when NEPA was incorporated, I think this is the best way of taking forward. Thank you, Team NEPA, and thank you, Saurav Dev. You kept very low profile, but on the right time, I would say that the
Good morning, thanks sir. Praveen Mishra here from Amar Ujala.
Hello, Mr. Mishra, good morning.
We welcome you, sir.
We are very pleased to know this. In fact, yesterday Mr. Patel, someone called me and informed me about this webinar, so we were very happy to know that the production is now going to be started in your plant. So we voluntarily offer you for any trial runs that you would want to have on newspaper. We can do that and help you out with the the fine tuning of the final product, finished product. Secondly, I just have a question. So the initial production will be of which brightness?
You see, it will be depending upon your requirement also, because we are thinking to go ahead with the production of newsprint with the 58 to 60 brightness, and the writing printing will be above 75 degree ISO. But right now, because we will go as per the requirement of the market as well. Whatever is your requirement, we will meet that grammage and that brightness.
Okay. Any plans for say 52 brightness newsprint?
Yes. No issues. If the market, we are getting the right price for our product, because we have a well renovated system in place now, which is workable. So whatever requirement will be there, the brightness in the newsprint can also be enhanced based on the requirement of the customers.
So we again, I would like to offer that we can have, you can send materials for trial at our presses.
That's
Whichever press is closer by or nearest to your plant.
right.
And your people can come, run it, see the performance, see the, the final outcome, and then accordingly do some correction at their end, so that the finished product is in the market at the earliest.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you can always reach us for this.
Thank you so much for your kind offer, and I'm quite sure support like this is required for a company like us. And as I said, from bottom of my heart, I thank all of you actually to be absolutely helping us in all manner and which is required at this point of time. Thank you so much.